I'll start by introducing myself. I'm Eduardo. I went to Chico State up in Northern California. I graduated a year and a half ago. I got my degree in mechanical engineering, and I have been working in the automation industry for a year and a half now.
My name is Dan Gradner. Also a professional engineer. I studied engineering at the University of Illinois, Champaign-Urbana. Graduated in 2011, and now I work in Anaheim, California as a sales engineer.
My name is Brett Bannon. My degree is in mechanical engineering from Purdue University, and now I actually stay on the tech side, building demos, supporting sales. That's a little bit about me.
Engineer Republic started about a year and a few months ago, where we were using social media as a resource to really connect with people, and we started noticing that most of our audience was college students, and even high school kids would ask us, like, what should I go into? So we decided to create something where we can actually start helping students out.
The STEM fields are such an important aspect of society and our world and our future. And I think it's important that we provide the right resources and exposure to people at a young age, because they're going to be the scientists 20, 30 years down the road that are making these groundbreaking discoveries and pushing our knowledge forward. And so just as much exposure to the STEM fields. So I think that's a part of our goal and our initiative at Engineering Republic.
So because we work in the automation industry, we thought we'd bring a little demonstration of some of the types of technology and components that we work with on a daily basis. So here you'll see an H-bot configuration with some applied motion product stepper motors. We can move this H-bot horizontally or vertically with one single belt. I think if you'd like to show it running, kind of give a little demonstration.
Actually, yeah, so let's see it run. So I'm just gonna give you a little demonstration. So right now I just have a routine going X, Y moves, nothing special. So you can see it's just doing some basic moves.
Again, all these moves are being done with a single belt. So I would recommend, if at all possible, trying to get some type of internship while you're in college, because having that real life experience that you can discuss and talk about your experience in an interview speaks a lot more powerfully than your work in a classroom or even your senior project. And don't get me wrong, senior projects are great, and they can be very valuable and a good talking point in an interview, but having that experience, whether it's an internship, paid or unpaid, whether you're volunteering your time, that definitely helps in the process. At least from my experience.
I mean, one of my biggest hurdles too was, I guess, just not knowing what I would be doing. And again, I didn't have an internship. I was like, oh, I don't have an internship. Maybe I'm not, ready for it or something. Maybe I should get an internship now that I graduated. But yeah, if you can get an internship or some kind of experience, paid or not paid, definitely valuable. But at the same time, you don't want to beat yourself up. It's like, oh, I don't have it. I might not get it. Don't be like. You will. You will. Just keep pushing for it.
And to get back to the question, I mean, about like whether you question whether this is the right path or whatnot. I mean, of course you have those nights that you're in the lab super late and you're stressed out. Yeah, those times do come up. But when you solve that problem, when you get past it, when you get over those hurdles, then you have this good feeling that I'm doing something that not a lot of people can do. It gets stressful at times, it goes up and down, but in the end it's very rewarding knowing that we're pushing technology, we're doing things that not a lot of people do or pursue or accomplish. And so that's what keeps me going.
Yeah, I think, engineering school in general is not easy. There's a lot of times, when people might have considerations of why am I in this major? You see your friends in business school and they're out partying every night. You're in the library.
Yeah.
And it's true. I mean, it is true. So, if you're ever struggling, I just would give the advice to keep going. don't give up. You know, there's resources out there on campus through Engineering Republic. You can reach out to other engineers. Clearly, there's a lot of students, you know, all in your place right now. And, you know, my only advice is just to see it through. And because once you get that degree, it is very powerful. And, you know, engineers are needed. So.
Hey Kasab,
Hi.
what are you guys doing today?
So Ahmed is trying to figure out how to get Fitbit's API, how to integrate Fitbit's API into Swift, and I'm trying to make a mock-up of the app using Python, so that we have an idea of how the app works. And
Yeah.
And what is your guys' plan for the next couple of weeks?
So our plan for the next couple of weeks is taking our Python code and translating into Swift, so we could run it on iOS application.
Right. Are you guys encountering any difficulties?
Currently, the only difficulty we're encountering is utilizing the API into our code, and that's pretty much it.
Do you feel confident that your project will be successful?
Okay, so yes.
I'm pretty sure
start working.
we'll be successful.
What do you think, Kasab?
yeah, absolutely. I think we can do it.
Great.
I'm pretty
Thank
confident we can do it.
You. All right, thank you guys.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing today?
Today we got our PH kit in the mail, and what we plan on doing by the end of today is at least get to be able to work and reading from the computer monitor.
Like through the Arduino program, we could check like the page level and see if like the code or like the layout would work.
And what's your strategy for the next couple of weeks?
Next couple of weeks.
Next couple of weeks, our biggest hurdle would be connecting the Bluetooth to our mobile application. So we will be spending a few days researching upon that.
Do you guys think you will be successful with your project?
I think we need to do like outside research, like on our own time, in order to make it work. Because we only have 5 more days, full days to come here to actually work on the hardware part and connecting it and see if like it actually works all together. So we need to have like research as backup.